Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Lao Tzu. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Lao Tzu. Time is a created thing. To say, I don't have time, is like saying, I don't want to. Lao Tzu. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Lao Tzu. Care about what other people think and you will always be their prisoner. Lao Tzu. Be content with what you have, rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. Lao Tzu. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. Lao Tzu. Manifest plainness, embrace simplicity, reduce selfishness, have few desires. Lao Tzu. Water is the softest thing, yet it can penetrate mountains and earth. This shows clearly the principle of softness overcoming hardness. Laozi. If a person seems wicked, do not cast him away. Awaken him with your words, elevate him with your deeds, repay his injury with your kindness. Do not cast him away, cast away his wickedness. Lao Tzu. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. Lao Tzu. Stop leaving and you will arrive. Stop searching and you will see. Stop running away and you will be found. Lao Tzu. I have just 3 things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These 3 are your greatest treasures. Lao Tzu. Your own positive future begins in this moment. All you have is right now. Every goal is possible from here. Lao Tzu. There is no greater danger than underestimating your opponent. Lao Tzu. The reason why the universe is eternal is that it does not live for itself, it gives life to others as it transforms. Lao Tzu. Health is the greatest possession. Contentment is the greatest treasure. Confidence is the greatest friend. Lao Tzu. Respond to anger with virtue. Deal with difficulties while they are still easy. Handle the great while it is still small. Lao Tzu. To realize that you do not understand is a virtue, not to realize that you do not understand is a defect. Lao Tzu.